During this video presentation, I'll take you through our food ordering module. You just left click on the module and the settings open up underneath it. For the food ordering module, we've got three menus: main settings, catalog with various drop-down options, and orders. So on main settings, we've got the title of the app, of the food ordering app. We can put a logo on the main screen as well as a description of the app. We've got then various options: the VAT percentage, whether to include VAT in the purchase price or not, whether to show cuisine on the main screen, so each of the food items can be categorized into a different cuisine. So when the user enters the app, they can either choose which food they would like to order by selecting the type of cuisine they like, or by selecting the restaurant from the map or from the list inside the app. You can also select whether you only have one restaurant inside the app or whether it's a multi-app with various restaurants and food establishments shown inside it. Then we've got various layout options for the first page design, the categories, things like that. We've got color settings and then custom icons that we can also add to the app. Under catalog, we've got cuisines. You can easily set up a new cuisine by clicking on the plus icon and then just entering the title, subtitle, and the icon and clicking on save. Under restaurants, once again, you can add a restaurant by clicking on the plus icon, but in this example, I'm just going to go into Cheesy Does It. So under Cheesy Does It, we've got the title, the subtitle of the restaurant, the icon or the logo, and a bonus percentage. So the bonus percentage is currently set to 3%. So if your order total is 100 Rand, you will get 3 Rand in credits deposited in your mobile wallet. Once you have enough funds in your mobile wallet, you can then use those funds to make purchases on the app. The description of Cheesy Does It, the description of the restaurant, and whether the customer can pay from his bonus or from his wallet. Then you've got your contact data, restaurant email, restaurant phone, the physical address, as well as whether you would like the restaurant to be shown on the map or not. You can then select which delivery methods are available for this restaurant. In this example, you can pick up, you can request delivery, and you cannot make bookings. We can enable it, and then users can book tables at the restaurant. You can also say whether it's a requirement for the app user to select a date and a time that they would like their food to be delivered, or a date and time that they would want to come and pick up their order. Then we've got delivery zones. The first zone is a 5-kilometer radius, and it costs 15 Rand. The second zone is zone 2, 10-kilometer radius with 20 Rand. In our next update, we will auto-calculate where the user is based on his geolocation, and then the system will automatically calculate the delivery fee. You can also then say this restaurant makes Italian food, so it is entered into the cuisines under Italian food. So when the user selects Italian food under cuisines, then Cheesy Does It will appear as one of the restaurants that does Italian food. You've got your opening hours, and then the menu items at this restaurant. So each of the menu items in this restaurant that you would like to be included must then just be ticked. For example, we've got those items that have been ticked and is then displayed as the food items underneath the Cheesy Does It restaurant. Additional addresses. If you're dealing with a franchise that has the same menu, you can just load additional addresses inside the app, and that will then be displayed as options for the user to choose which location or address he would like to order from. So it's just the basic details, seeing that it's the same menu that is being displayed. You can add categories. In order to add a category, just click on the plus icon, and then you can say at the top level category or not, title, subtitle, icon, press save, and then it's added as a category. Dishes. In order to add a new dish, just click on the plus icon, enter the title and the subtitle of the dish as well as a picture and a description, and then select the category that the dish belongs to, and then whether that particular dish has options inside of it. You can also add ingredients and tags, whether it's a vegan dish or vegetarian dish. So that's the options. Like for example, if you would like a sauce with it, if you like your steak rare, medium, or well done, the ingredients of the dish, and then tags, whether it's a hot dish or vegan, vegetarian. On the order side, you can enter orders by clicking on the order. Here you can see all of the orders that were made, the date, the restaurant that the order was placed in, the customer, delivery method, delivery cost, payment method, and the status of the order. I'm just going to look for an order that the status says is not completed. Let's see if we have one. We've got one pending. You can actually go into the order. You see the customer's details. And then you can change the status of the order by saying it's completed. In the next update, we will provide an export option for you to export all of your orders, as well as some other tweaks and other customizations that would enhance the functionality of the food ordering module.